How's it going? In this video, we are going to have a look at the Pixel Experience Room for the LG V30. And this is probably going to be one of the shortest videos that I've ever made about a custom room. And you'll know soon enough why. So starting off, first of all, I'll be leaving a link down in the description about the bugs that this room has and that kind of stuff. So these are generic bugs that almost all handwritten rooms have. So the link will be down in the description below. And after that, let's move on. Let me quickly show you the launcher. So this is the Pixel Experience Room. So it has lots and lots of Google apps inbuilt, like phone app, Google Contacts and that kind of stuff, Google Chrome, Google Photos. And let me just switch to the default, let me say the home app. So this is the default home app. And it comes with quite a few, you could say, Google apps pre-installed, and this is the quick tiles. You cannot customize the number of rows, columns, that kind of stuff, and it has a very limited section of it. And it also has the inbuilt screen recorder, but I tried it and it wouldn't really record any voice, so I'm using a third-party screen recorder. So under here you will find gestures, jump to camera, 3-button navigation. Here are handwritten navigations which work out pretty great, and you can only adjust the sensitivity and not the gesture area from here. And you can enable the battery percentage from the percentage in the battery section. You will find that here. And other than that, you will find on the display dark theme option that I have enabled, the dark theme. And here you have the style option. You can customize some of the looks here, and I had shown that to you already in lots of other rooms. And you have tap to wake, prevent accidental wake up. And finally you have the codec option here, which works fine except for the AVC reset bug that I mentioned in the bugs list. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Oh wait, just kidding, the video isn't really going to be that small. So about the battery life, this is one of the best battery life that I have had on a particular room. So it works out pretty great, and performance is pretty awesome here too. And other than that, let me show you. And as you can see here, all black, the Google feed. And here are the Pixel options. Styles and wallpapers I already showed you. And here you can go into the widgets. And here are the home settings. You can enable notification dots, and there's at a glance thing. As you see here, traffic information, upcoming flights, calendar events, add new apps, display Google app to the left, all apps list, suggestion, overview, selection. Home screen rotation can also be allowed. And yeah, that's it. So should you install this ROM? Well, personally, I like to have a lot of customizations, but this ROM is almost bare bones. So if you are looking for a really bare bones ROM, this might be a good option. And as of now, this is one of the only ROMs that support face unlock. So if you are looking for face unlock, this is also a good option. Face unlock works here and works really well. It's fast, and I used it. It was pretty nice. And other than that, you have the nightlight option. It works, and you can schedule that. But as you can see from the outset, this is very close to the Pixel Experience, as the name suggests, and it has a very few chosen features for the particular device. So that's where I'll end this video. Do click the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.